Hello friends, welcome back. When you transform simple things in your home into something useful, you're not just tidying your home, you're actually transforming yourself as a better person. So if you're looking for stopping buying new things every time you want to organize and start creating your own solutions, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So are you ready? Let's get started. We all have a corner in our kitchen that has a little chaos of masala packets, spice boxes and various sauce bottles, sometimes hiding in the fridge door or in the cupboard in the kitchen. Let's begin with the masala boxes. When these boxes are kept in a fridge shelf or drawer, you only see one side of the box and sometimes you can't even see the name of the masala. It can be really frustrating to open multiple boxes and it interrupts your cooking rhythm. So all you need to do is, first of all, close the masala boxes which are half open with the help of a rubber band. Then with the help of a masking tape or washi tape, you start writing the name of the masala twice so that you can put this label on either side of the box. This organization helps you to grab what you need instantly and you can stay in the flow of cooking by finishing preparation faster. This kind of arrangement has so many benefits beyond time saving. It reduces duplicate buying and also helps everyone in the family to grab what they are looking for. This quick, simple and no-cost solution is also useful for sauce bottles because most of the time you can just see the caps of the sauce bottles. As you can see, these few minutes that we invest in labeling and arranging can change our entire cooking experience by saving us so much time. If you've been thinking about organizing your kids' socks and other small clothing items but don't want to spend money on fancy organizers, I have the perfect zero-cost hack for you. As you can see, this shelf is a total mess, and when my kids are trying to find a sock of a certain color, they really waste a lot of time looking for them. Let's make instant storage baskets using something almost all of us already have at home: cloth tote bags and paper shopping bags. This DIY works beautifully because the paper bag gives a structure to the soft cloth bags so that they can stand upright like real baskets. And it's totally customizable because you can customize according to the size of the shelf or the drawer in your house. So after you pick a cloth bag and a paper bag which are roughly the same size, you just need to fold the top edge of the paper bag so that you create a firmer rim. Next, you grab a cloth bag, the ones which we collect from stores or events, and you can cut off the handles. You can invert the bag inside out so that the print stays inside and it will give a neat and finished look. Now all you have to do is slide your prepared paper bag inside the cloth bag, adjust the corners so both fit well together and stand upright. You can just insert the extra fabric inside the paper bag and there it is. Instantly, you'll see your soft cloth bag turn into a rectangle fabric basket. To give it a more finished look, you can always add handles by using hot glue, or you can also sew them with a simple stitch. So in just a few minutes, you created a zero-cost, zero-waste, super cute organizer. No store visits and no spending. You can mix and match colors to make it look even more attractive on the shelf. As you can see, organizing doesn't always have to be expensive. Sometimes the smartest solutions are already in our home. Let's move on to our next no-cost organizing idea. Most of us buy plastic bags which come in a bunch and they are usually fused in the center. These multi-purpose bags are definitely much cheaper than the Ziploc bags, but sometimes when you're trying to pull out one bag, a lot of bags come together out in a clump. Let's see how we can make a no-cost DIY bag dispenser that will solve this problem. So first you just grab an empty cookie box or snack box, the sturdier the better. Here's a little trick to make it look nicer. You can just open the flaps from the side and overturn the entire box. By doing this, all the loud colors, logos and the details go on the inside and the outside becomes a clean, simple and plain surface. You need to seal and close two sides using either glue stick or hot glue. Then you can draw a small rectangle on one side and continue drawing it on the top and the other side. You can either use a cutter or a sharp pair of scissors to make this opening, which will allow you to dispense the bags easily from the middle. Now all you need to do is grab your bags and cut out the upper seal which is holding all the bags together. Once that is done, you can just insert a tiny piece of cardboard in the middle of the bags and insert them in your dispenser. On the open side, you can either put some tape or you can also use Velcro so that when the bags get over, you can always refill the dispenser. There you go. Here's a very convenient way to remove bags one at a time. The next super useful zero-cost DIY is to protect your clothes that are hanging on a hanger from dust, especially those outfits that we don't wear every day. So let's begin. We need a cloth bag as well as a hanger. You can just check the size of the hanger alongside the cloth bag and then you can just cut out a rectangle on one side of the bag so that you can see from this window which outfit is inside. Next, you can use any plastic transparent bag and cut out a piece which is slightly larger than the window, and this can be glued on top of the opening. After you turn the bag inside out for a finished look, you can cut a neck opening so that there is a small semicircle at the top of the bag. You can also use different colored bags for different categories of clothes. Now you can just slide the bag over the hanger and you can just pull the hook of the hanger out from the semicircle that we had cut at the top of the bag. Look how beautifully our DIY cloth garment cover has turned out. This keeps your hanging clothes dust-free, organized and so easy to spot. The next one is a quick space-saving belt organizer that you can make right now using the things at home. This belt organizer is so easy to make if you already have clips and a hanger. It saves closet space and the belts stay visible, untangled ready to wear, which saves you time each morning. You can use medium binder clips or large clips for heavier belts, and if you distance it properly, you can hang up to 8 belts per hanger. So our 2-minute belt hanger is ready. As you can see, I have 8 belts on this hanger and I can remove them easily in the morning, especially when I'm in a rush, and also save space in the drawer where I had them before. So that's all for today, my dear viewers. Thank you so much for hanging in there and for your support for my channel. It really means a lot. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.